Hello everyone. I have prepared an asset inventory management system that can store, modify, borrow, or delete a dataset containing asset information based on user preferences. Let's run the program to see the functionalities. There are three main functionalities as you can see the sign up. There are two different logins, one for admin and one for normal user. Let's do sign up first. You give your basic information. Now for this section, you just cannot give only numeric values. It won't accept. You have to give a combination of number and letters, and it should be at least 6. uh, the length should be at least 6. You can see you have to give the same password. Sign up is successful. Now let's try to sign in using this username and password. You cannot log in as an admin. Let's show you. But if you try to use the these authentication credentials to log in as a normal user, you should be able to log in. Now, as you can see, after you log in as a normal user, you have these three functionalities, and you have only access to this two database. But if I log in as an admin now, as you can see, I have one other added functionalities, which is delete dataset, and also there are I can view all the databases. Now let's try out one of the functionalities, adding asset. I can add an asset. You can choose here. From here also. I have used all the convention for the section, like the period and the acquisition cost cannot be given as an string value. Now let's try to save it. You can see it had been added to the database. Let's see it now. As you can see, the asset has been added to the database. Now let's try out another one functionalities. You can also delete an asset. You just can select from all the assets that have been added in the main database, and then choose one of the asset, and then you can delete it. There is also borrowing asset functionality. Like the adding asset, you need to choose the asset that you want to borrow, or you want to borrow to, the location. As you can see, the asset has been added to the borrowed asset database. If you want to view it, whether it's added or not, as you can see, the item has been added here. Now there is one other functionality that I have added, and in this section some of the items have been expired. So if you want to extend any of the items that have been expired, you can do it as well. So suppose this item has been expired, whether you want to give the collected confirmation. If you give collected, today's date has been confirmed. But if you want to extend it, you have to give a certain date in the future that you want to extend it until. So if I give it, save it, and then cancel it, as you can see, it has been extended and the item is now on the borrowed section. And as you can also see, the modified by section has been added by the admin. As I just before I modified this section, I have logged in as an admin. That's why the modified by section has been given by admin. If you log in as another user, it will also give you for the reference of the admin. Thank you.